This is my main website, ADA Comply Protect My Site.website. We'll now discuss the 6 benefits you'll enjoy when you make your website ADA compliant and show you our premium ADA disability tool that will be applied on your site for the disabled to use to help them navigate your site to shop for your goods or services. Then we'll review how the tool works. ADA Comply is the premier website disability solution. There's 2 important reasons for your website to become compliant today. Because of the many benefits you'll receive that will increase your business, and 2, to protect your business from massive government fines and civil lawsuits. Here are the 6 benefits you'll receive from becoming compliant. As mentioned, it's the law. You're going to protect your business from these government fines and personal lawsuits. The first fine is $50,000. The second offense is $150,000. Not to mention the civil lawsuits that will start at $10,000 each. Second, you'll open your website to an untapped $650 billion a year disability market, which will help increase your business up to 20% a year. Third, ADA compliant websites can improve SEO and increase Google rankings. Having an accessible website improves your SEO strategy because enhancing the functionality and usability of your site helps Google, which results in your site being awarded higher organic search rankings. You're going to become disability friendly and build goodwill. Having an accessible website demonstrates that your organization is committed to inclusion and helping others by promoting fairness and doing things the right way. And web accessibility improves user experience on the internet for everyone. And finally, qualifying businesses receive IRS tax credits and deductions when they make their website ADA compliant. To assist businesses with compliant with the ADA, Section 44 of the IRS Code allows a tax credit for small businesses, and a Section 190 of the IRS Code allows a tax deduction. This credit can cover 50% a year up to a maximum credit of $5,000 for all durations to improve accessibility, plus the tax deductions available to all businesses with a maximum deduction of $15,000 per year, making your site little or no cost to you by making it ADA compliant. Now let's watch how our premium compliance tool works, and stay tuned after watching how our disability tool works because I'm excited to show you an exclusive offer for webinar members only.
Hi, my name is Shira. I'm here to explain how our AI solution impacts your website in an amazing way. Our experts can turn your website's accessibility from great to perfect. Our specialists go through every page of your site and make sure that each of our 31 functions work perfectly with all elements of your site. This is exactly what sets us apart from other companies in the field. We meet the most stringent regulations and standards in the world, WCAG 2.1 AA Section 508. We've developed a set of tools that make your site accessible in a professional and efficient manner, all within a maximum of 30 business days. In our pursuit for perfection, we are doing usability testing with people with disabilities, kind of warranty. Let's get started. Once arriving at your website, the first thing that a visually impaired user will hear is an audible notification explaining that the site is using an accessibility system. It will assist them in activating the system quickly. While using the tab key, they will be prompted with these pop-ups for quick and intuitive accessibility activation. Now let me introduce you to our accessibility functions. Blinks blocking. Flashes and blinks that could trigger seizures in users with epilepsy can easily be turned off using this function. Color adjustment. This function assists people with sight impairments like color blindness and other visual impairments. This section allows the user to view the site in any color variation of their choice. The user can adjust the background, headers, and content so it perfectly meets their unique accessibility needs. The user can change the saturation by decreasing or increasing the intensity of the site's colors. We have several options for adjusting content size. The user can choose the ideal fit for their browsing. The magnifier will zoom up to 150%. The user can also change the font size and adjust the space between lines and words. And with the text magnifier function, they will be able to magnify the text with a tooltip. Most importantly, we have a screen reader adjustment function. This function will make your site compatible with screen readers like JAWS, NVDA, and more. The focus is now visible and ARIA attributes are added to the elements on the page. These attributes interact directly with screen readers, making the site intuitive for visually impaired users and ensuring that your website is accessible according to the WCAG 2.1 AA guidelines. For example, in this form, while a visually impaired user is focused on the input, they will simply know that they are on the input but nothing more. With our screen reader adjustment function, we will add an ARIA label to the input. This works directly with the screen reader and allows the user to understand where they are. We will also add required or invalid attributes, which will be alerted by the screen reader. Our widget supports 36 languages, so we can ensure that people all around the world will be able to easily access your website. Accessibility statement. Here, users can see your accessibility statement with all the relevant adjustments that were made to your website. It's divided into different sections from the WCAG 2.1.